Welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting for financial freedom. We are going to be taking a look at the JASMY price set one more time. Let's begin here with a post I was posting earlier today, just indicating how far we have advanced with our structure here with JASMY. For a very long time, I think since 2022, we have been comparing the price action that we are seeing with JASMY relative to what we saw in the previous bear cycle with coins like Cardano, Ethereum, Neo Coin, Binance Chain, and a whole bunch of others, right? And I think we've already determined that JASMY in a super bullish structure there, and JASMY has also been very generous. We are up at least 10x from the moment that we were buying and really having a super conviction that we are gonna do well here. So I think we have actually advanced really well, and take a look at where we are now. We are looking for this parabolic structure to show right in short order here for JASMY. So exciting news. I think that this is gonna be a fantastic period, right? If you're gonna be asking me how long you think this is gonna be lasting, this is going to be very difficult to predict, but I would say that we know that history doesn't repeat, but it can probably be rhyming. So from a time frame perspective, we saw Ethereum rise to its first peak right around something like 1,200 days, and from the previous peak that we have had here with JASMY, relative to our structures, I think we are getting super close to that. I think that we are looking right around maybe January, February, March, early 2025. And we could see something really amazing happening for JASMY. Now somebody can be saying that you know, we can't wait until January 2025, but I think that you have to keep in mind that leading up to that, right, we are talking about where the price could be peaking, right? I think leading up to that is really just going to be a fantastic period in the market. The price targets that we have are as follows. I think the lowest one that we have is something like 54 cents. That is coming from the value price that I've been showing you of late. If you just go maybe, let's say 5 videos, you are going to see a lot of videos that are indicating where 54 cents is coming. And then we also have got like 2 best case scenarios that we have here, the Cardano price set. But you see here I was showing you the Cardano price set on Twitter, but right now I'm showing you the Ethereum price set, right? Really, this is our base case scenario, and that is predicting that JASMY is leading us to something like $1.20. That is the base case scenario, probably the most unlikely one, but really this is all we have right there, right? So I mean, even from a time frame perspective, we are seeing that the dominance here, BTC dominance, is dropping, and that is very great news for altcoins because it means that they are going to be having much of the market share, right? So we could see JASMY, ICP, the rest of those, our favorite altcoins, start to pump because BTC is giving us much more of the market share, right? But I also think that we have got some great news coming out of Japan, which is talking about the exchange that Sony is going to be launching. And really, I know that Sony is directly linked, very closely linked to JASMY, because a lot of people involved in the JASMY project are actually coming from the company Sony. So we'll see what happens right there. But just, from a fundamental perspective, you would actually assume that JASMY would be one of the earliest coins to be listed on that exchange. It being one of the best crypto projects, if not the best crypto project in Japan. It will get a lot of new eyeballs, and we'll see what eventually happens there, right? I was even just speculating myself, saying that can you imagine a scenario in which JASMY becomes the official token of the exchange right there? That would really be crazy, but I don't think it's going to happen, but it's just speculation. I was indicating here that this is speculation. But getting back to the price and the chart, which I actually understand much more than anything, I think that the trajectory is very much clear right there. But coming maybe to the shorter time frame perspective here, maybe we could be having a little bit of shaky price action. We are trading below the 50 daily moving average, and I've said time and again on this channel that the 50 daily moving average on JASMY is one of the most important moving averages here, because once JASMY is trading below that, it really can be devastating, right? We have seen that in the bear market, but I think now that we are in a bull cycle, we are no longer having those big massive crashes here. Rather, we are seeing the price dropping initially but just going sideways a little bit. So that also goes in line with what I've been saying about JASMY, saying that I don't expect a quick recovery. Yes, I was expecting support at 2.8 cents. We got that. That's great, but I'm now expecting that if we continue trading below maybe the 50 daily moving average, right, we could see JASMY going a little bit more sideways. And I think this is actually an advantageous situation for JASMY, because on the weekly time frame we are seeing bearish divergence on the RSI. So should we go sideways like that, we have got an opportunity, a chance maybe to reset those RSIs a little bit before we head for our next missed a huge leg up in the price right there. So I think this is the only concern that we have right at this point. But should we also have a few, maybe 2-3 daily candles above the 50 daily moving average? I've done it like this because it's not yet there right at this point. But this whole scenario would be invalidated and we could actually continue resuming the bullish trend in short order. But I think ideally we can see JASMY going a little bit more sideways here, even accumulating while taking. So I'm a bit patient, and I already know that great things are going to be happening here for JASMY. But just to support this argument, you could also take a look at the MACD and put it on a 3 daily time frame. You're going to realize that I think it also needs some kind of a reset, and then we can take it from there, right? But just remember, none of what I say is financial advice, and you shouldn't be buying or selling anything because of anything I say, all right? But if you like the content, don't forget to delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and then I would have to see you on the very next one. Take really, really good care of yourselves. Bye.